Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. From this video, I will discuss about the surface marking of the liver. So, when you go into surface mark the liver, first you have to identify where the three borders are. That means the superior border, the inferior border and the right border. So, you have to relate those borders with bony origins so that you can do the surface marking of the liver. First, we will discuss how to identify superior margin of the liver. So, I will tell you some points which related to the superior margin of the liver from left side to right. This is the left side and this is the right side. So, first point corresponds with left fifth rib, left side fifth rib in mid-clavicular line. The second point corresponds to the cipisternal joint here. Third point corresponds to the intersection of the mid-clavicular line on the right fifth rib. That means here. Right side fifth rib at mid-clavicular line. So now you can do surface marking of the superior margin of the liver. In the left side, fifth rib in the mid-clavicular line, and then cipisternal joint, and right side fifth rib at the mid-clavicular line. So you join these 3 points, then you can easily surface mark the superior margin. Next, we will see how do you surface mark the inferior border. So in the inferior borders, there are several relations. First, you have right side 10th rib in mid-axillary line. Then secondly, you have tip of right 9th costal cartilage here. Then thirdly, you have the transpyloric plane in the median plane, and about in this area. And then fourth point corresponds to the tip of the left 8th costal cartilage at the left costal margin. So here the fourth point is here, that is in the tip of left side costal cartilage at costal margin. And then finally you have this left side fifth rib in the mid-clavicular line. So you draw like a curved margin. You can draw either a straight line or curved margin to surface mark the inferior border. So those are the points: right side 10th rib in the mid-axillary line, then tip of right side 9th costal cartilage, then the transpyloric plane here, then tip of left side costal margin at the tip of left side costal cartilage at the left costal margin. Then we'll see the right margin. So you can join the right margin with this right side fifth rib at the mid clavicular line, and then the right side 10th rib in the mid-axillary line. Then this right margin is, you can see it is convex in shape. It is convex in shape, and it is indicated by the line that joins right ends of the superior and inferior margins. So now you know how to surface mark the liver. So hope this video is clear for you. So thank you for watching.